Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, I got a good, exciting video for y'all today. I went ahead and picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Quad and the bronzer. And if you guys want to see if it's going to show up on my skin tone, did she come to slay or was she playing? We finna find out. So you keep watching, okay?
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah.
All right, y'all, let's get into this. You guys are gonna hear the fan going because your girl is hot. And they decided to cut the grass too, so ignore all that. Let's get down to the real reason you're here. All right, y'all, I picked up the new eyeshadow quad. I actually have it on right now. So if you was wondering if these shades were gonna do any type of pop-in on melanated skin, well, we finna find out. And this is my first impressions of all these products. So let me bring y'all in a little bit closer. Hold on. Bring you in so you can see this eyeshadow look. So I did use all 4 shades in this look. And if you want a tutorial, let me know. I just kind of wanted you guys to see what the eyeshadow could actually do. So I just went ahead and just played with it. And as a first impressions, let me back y'all up. As a first impressions, I will say that I was really shocked by how small it is. See how little that is? Like, very small. Let me show you a comparison. You guys know the Visearts, the Theory palettes, how they look in that size. You see the comparison in size? So it is small. So be prepared for that. I wasn't prepared. I didn't nobody tell me, but the colors, you guys, I will say, let me give you a couple swatches. They all showed up very nicely on your girl. So we're just going to do some swatches so y'all can see how they look. And these are the swatches, and I'm loving this shade right here. So I did pick that up. As a first impression, your girl is happy with that. I just wish it was a little bigger, that's all. But as far as being able to blend out, as far as it showing up, yes. I haven't worn it long, so I can't tell you how long it wears, but it is pretty to me. I like it. It's very, to me, if you're gonna dive into high-end, go with colors you know you're gonna get a lot of wear out of because you're spending a lot of money. You know what I mean? So I'm happy with it. Now let's go to the next item. All right, y'all, the reason we all are here to see, is this gonna show up on your girl? So let me first of all say the packaging. Oh my gosh, y'all, do you see that packaging? Oh my goodness, it's absolutely gorgeous. And it's also refillable. It does have a little hole back there, you see that? Where you can refill. And let's open it up. You do get a mirror. And that's what she looks like. Yeah, I'm not gonna go into any like great details. I just want to see, is it gonna show up on my skin tone? So what I've already done is I've done my base. I haven't put on, I use my Pat McGrath foundation. I set it with my Derma Blend, and that is it. So let's go ahead. I'm not gonna contour today. I think I'm just gonna simply bronze, because that's what this is, a bronzer. It's not a contour. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna see. Y'all, we're doing this together. Y'all ready? I'm gonna be looking in my mirror, okay? Let me bring y'all in too. Well, she is definitely there. Okay. Oh yeah. And you know what I'm liking about it just off the gate, y'all, just off the rip, that it's not super red. I mean, for a bronzy, you do want some red if you're a deeper skin tone, because you want that bronzy look. But you want to add the warmth to your face, but you don't want it to be looking super red. And, ooh, y'all. I should have worn my hair differently so I can really get up in here. Can y'all see that? Okay, let's do the other side. And I really like the fact that it's refillable. So when I used it all, which was going to take me a while to use this, but once you're done, you could just get a refill instead of having to buy the whole compact all over again, because it ain't cheap. But y'all, it feels very, see how it's like melting into my skin? It's supposed to be the same formula of her face powder that everyone loves. Now, I have a little small itsy bitsy tiny weeny sample of that face powder, but the deepest shade is way too light for me. So she needs to add a few more shades. Let me take y'all back. So oh, I'm bronzed, y'all. I am sun-kissed. Do you see that? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, y'all. As of first impressions, your girl is happy. Oh, I do like that on my skin, y'all. And it don't, wow. Y'all, do y'all see how it's literally just blending into my skin? It's not laying on top of the skin, and I'm not having to do, although I am using a good tool, but I'm not having to do a whole lot of buffing. I'm doing this because y'all like the way this brush feel on my skin. But you see how it just blending out? Oh, okay, y'all. Okay, what I'm gonna do is go put on some blush and highlighter and a lipstick, and I'm gonna come back and tell y'all my. All right, y'all. This is my finished look. First impressions. The eyeshadow palette. Do you have to pick this up? Not really. It's pretty. It's simple. It's easy. I'll say that about the eyeshadow palette. Let me open it up again so you can see. All the colors show up on my skin tone, so it will work for you, no doubt. But I don't feel like it's a must-have for me. Now, let's talk about this bronzer. Now, this bronzer, oh baby, this is a must-have because I love the way it looks. It's not too gray. It's not too red. It's just the right shade for my skin tone to give it a sun-kissed look. You can really tell this is a bronzer. And y'all, I love how much you get and that it's refillable. So out of the two things, you could pass on this, but she came to slay with this right here. She wasn't playing with anything, but this is a must. You know, this, I ain't gonna say a must. You might want to pick this up. That's all I'm saying. So y'all, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys are able to see. And if you're trying to make a decision if you want to pick it up or not, I think you should. I think it really works for a deeper skin tone. It's hard for me to find a nice bronzer, but I'm happy with my purchase. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Check out Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life. Yeah, it's Lori's life.